two blue jays in the city of London. I'm on holiday today, just such a blessing in itself. Woke up at 6:11, closed my eyes, go back to sleep till 9:40. Why? Because I can, and I love it. So awesome to be free. You don't have to follow what society tells you to do. I didn't. I chose freedom. And seeing things like this, blue sky, hearing the birds, fills my heart with joy. And I'm complete and whole in nature. I'm so grateful that we've got this all over London. So grateful for the blue sky. I don't normally come down this way. I listen to intuition. I've seen a woodpecker. I've seen blue tits, two magpies, starlings, long-tailed tits. All in this little area, right in the heart of the East End. And I wanted to share it with you and show you the alternative lifestyle, which is freedom. And the birds are tweeting for confirmation, sending you so much love, motivation to be you, to be authentic, to get outside and love yourself and look after yourself. Because it's pretty special when you do. Sending you so much love. Go find the birds, the ones that fly in the sky.